So the whole point of cooking bass, a recipe for conservation, is just to bring more awareness to the fact that catch and release is a beautiful thing. But if you want bigger bass and healthier fisheries, we have to take some home. There has to be some harvest. So if you don't already know, the whole conservation model of North America is based on harvest. But a little bit of history people don't realize about bass fishing and the whole catch and release thing is it hasn't always been the way. Back in the 70s, BASS, they were still bringing their bass in on stringers because after the weigh-in, they took them home and they ate them. In the 1800s, we actually almost fished black bass at extinction, commercially fishing for them. There's a lot of myths out there, like bass don't taste good. That's not true. These are the rumors and myths and things that have been formed under this whole mindset of it being wrong to keep bass. It's not wrong to keep bass. It's good to keep bass. You have to keep some. If you want bigger, healthier bass, you have to take the smaller ones out of the fishery to some extent. Over harvest is a bad thing, but no harvest is a bad thing. So this mindset of it being like taboo to eat bass is just wrong. And this mindset of it being that they taste bad is wrong. So my playlist is literally going to be me harvesting a bass every now and then and showing you different ways to cook it. The first one we're going to do, we're just going to go old fashioned. We're going to fry it up, and I'm going to show you the best fish fry batter you will ever try. I promise you. And that's going to be the first video of cooking bass, a recipe for conservation.